The following message is transmitted at the request of the Centers of Disease Control and the United States government. At around 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, reports of coronavirus, known as COVID-19, has seen spreading across the entire country. These countries include Thailand, Singapore, Japan, South Korea, United States, Canada, Mexico, Australia, France, United Kingdom, and much more. These cases are 82,167 people from Wuhan. Over 2,771 people have died from the coronavirus spreading in these countries. Recoveries are 30,357 people from this virus from these countries. You are urged to remain vigilant, and be prepared on the lookout for any suspicious activity. There is hope way that the coronavirus to be controlled to prevent this. Tune in for more update will be provided on his developing and life-threatening situation.